Welcome to Revive the Ride Garage. I'm your host, Dericksen D, or Double D for short. Today's mission: resurrect a 1966 Shelby Mustang that's been chilling in a farmer's field for 2 decades. What could possibly go wrong? Spoiler alert, a lot. Step 1, get it out of the field. This once mighty Mustang is now covered in more rust than your old bike abandoned in the backyard. That reminds me, what does a rusty can of spray-on-rust remover smell like? Irony. Ha ha ha, get it? The tires are flatter than last month's soda. But fear not, because today we're turning this field-dwelling relic into a star. The farmer has been nice enough to let me work on her in his driveway. Let's take a gander under the hood. Whoa! It's like a critter party went down. I half expect to find tiny disco balls. Let's replace that battery. I always use the ones with the go handle. Surprisingly, everything looks pretty intact, aside from the radiator being empty. A broken number 3 spark plug. I'm going to pretend I didn't see that. And a carburetor that's stucker than a teenager's phone on family dinner night. Ha ha ha, get it? Okay, after hours of critter eviction, rebuilding the carb, and a squirrel that's definitely plotting his revenge, it's time to crank her over. Bring the thunder! Bring the thunder! There she goes! 20 years in the field and she's back to life. I can't believe it, but I have to. I'm staring right at it. Help a guy understand. Next is brakes, tires, then we can get on the road. I wonder what Mark Chestnut is doing. Okay, after a lot of swearing, blood, and sweat so bad, it feels like Niagara Falls in my butt crack. Let's get on the road. We've got 300 miles to cover, and it's already late. I made it. There were a few times I wondered if I bit of more than I could chew. This 66 Mustang will be getting new paint, new parts, and most importantly, a new lease on life.